you ever feel like you study English for hours, but still struggle to speak naturally? Do you understand English videos, but freeze when it's time to talk? Maybe you know grammar. Maybe you know vocabulary. But speaking still feels uncomfortable. If that sounds familiar, this lesson is for you. Because today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful ways to become fluent in English naturally, the immersion method. Not the fake version of immersion. Not memorizing endless grammar rules every day. Real immersion. The kind that slowly changes the way your brain listens, thinks, and speaks. And the best part is, you can start today from your own home. Welcome back to Daily Easy English. If you want to improve your English naturally and confidently, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. English is becoming part of my daily life. Now relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. Many English learners spend years studying, but still feel nervous speaking. And honestly, that can feel frustrating. You learn grammar rules. You memorize vocabulary. You watch lesson after lesson. But when somebody asks you a simple question in English, your mind suddenly goes blank. Why does this happen? Because language is not only knowledge. Language is reaction. Language is habit. Language is emotional comfort. You can know thousands of words, but if your brain is not used to using English naturally, speaking will still feel stressful. When people hear the word immersion, they often imagine moving to another country. But real immersion is much simpler than that. Immersion means surrounding your brain with English consistently enough that English slowly becomes familiar instead of foreign. Think about how children learn language. Children do not learn language through translation. They connect words with actions, with emotions, with repetition, with real situations. That is why immersion works so well. Right now, look around your room. Everything you see has an English name. Chair, curtains, mirror, bottle, laptop, desk lamp, headphones, backpack. Your environment can become your English classroom. One of the most powerful immersion habits is narrating your daily actions in English. I'm opening the window. I'm making coffee. I'm checking my phone. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm washing the dishes. Simple sentences repeated daily train your brain naturally. Many learners can understand English, but struggle to speak fluently. That is because understanding is passive. Speaking is active. Your mouth needs repetition. Your brain needs faster connections. Your tongue needs practice. At first, speaking English feels awkward because your brain is building a completely new communication system. And let's be honest for a moment. Many people are not actually afraid of English. They are afraid of embarrassment, afraid of making mistakes, afraid of bad pronunciation, afraid of sounding awkward. But every fluent English speaker once sounded awkward too. Nobody becomes fluent before practicing. Fluency comes from speaking badly first, then improving over time. One major reason speaking feels slow is translation. Many learners hear English, translate it mentally, then build a response in their native language before translating back into English again. That process creates hesitation. Fluent speakers think directly in English. Tomorrow, when you walk outside, try silently describing the world around you in English. The weather feels nice today. That cafe looks crowded. I need to buy groceries later. The street is noisy today. These small mental exercises slowly retrain your brain. Listening is also one of the most important parts of immersion. Your ears need daily exposure to natural English rhythm, pronunciation, and sentence flow. One major mistake learners make is choosing content far above their level. When everything feels impossible to understand, motivation disappears. Real learning happens when you understand most of the message, even if you miss some words. If you understand around 70% of what you hear, that is enough for progress. Your brain naturally fills the missing pieces over time. If you are a beginner, start with simple English videos and slow conversations. If you are intermediate, watch interviews, podcasts, and daily life content. And if you are advanced, challenge yourself with documentaries, movies, and real discussions. One of the fastest ways to improve speaking naturally is shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately, like an echo. How's your day going? Repeat it. How's your day going? I'm trying to improve my English every day. Repeat it. I'm trying to improve my English every day. Shadowing trains pronunciation, rhythm, speed, and confidence at the same time. And after enough repetition, certain sentence patterns start becoming automatic. If this lesson is helping you, support Daily Easy English by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and commenting below. I will become fluent through immersion. You do not need to study English for 10 hours every day. You need consistency. Even one focused hour daily can completely change your English over time. 20 minutes listening, 20 minutes speaking, 20 minutes shadowing or reading. Simple habits create powerful long-term results. Motivation feels amazing, but motivation comes and goes. Some days you will feel excited to study. Other days you will feel tired or discouraged. Practice anyway, because fluency is built through repetition, not temporary motivation. One of the best parts of immersion is that learning can become enjoyable. Movies, music, podcasts, travel videos, gaming content, documentaries. The more emotionally connected you feel to the content, the easier your brain remembers the language. Another dangerous habit is comparing your English journey to other people online. Some learners improve quickly, others improve slowly, but consistency always wins in the long run. Remember this clearly. Fluency is not knowing every word in the dictionary. Fluency is being comfortable communicating with the words you already know. Maybe today your English still feels slow. Maybe speaking still makes you nervous. That is completely normal. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. The difference is simple. They continued. Thank you so much for spending time with Daily Easy English. If this video motivated you, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. I will continue my English immersion journey. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep immersing yourself in English every single day. And I'll see you in the next lesson.